All right, let's check out what we got going on today. We got some eBay parts. About to slap this on right about here. And now we prepping the surface, getting some Sharpie lines and some tape. We got some crazy cutter right here. Got level and safety stuff. Can't measure. Yeah, let's get to it. Okay, is it level for you? Or it's level for me, but is your marker level?
Yeah, right there.
Alright, just go ahead and do it.
They didn't mark.
Now is it?
No. Oh, there it is. That's good enough. It's not to mark the other side.
Bam. Okay. Bam. We did it. Something like that. And then we just need the height.
Let's just figure out how high you want it. This is above this line. I don't know if you want to go lower. Yeah, it's a good gap. Like, it's kind of the same amount from here to here.
It's a fair amount.
It's a fair amount, so it's almost practically in the middle. So for that, what we can do is simply...
Mira que chula. This is the same as that side, right? And then like it's not as much in the curve, so the aerodynamics will flow.
So what we're gonna do is position it where we want it, then trace a circle, and then to cut these parts here, we're just gonna use a ruler. We're gonna touch the top, and trace the line straight. In reality, we're just cutting this inside.
I'm gonna draw a line at the bottom so we know not to exceed this line. Damn, this is fun, you know? I haven't done an art project in a minute. Damn, that's what it's gonna look like. Bro, that shit look a little funny.
I mean, if honestly, you could stand up and look at it like that. If that's something you like, then.
Bro, we should just like leave it like that. That honestly looks fire the way it is. What you think?
It looks like those cars where they do that cartoon style thing.
It does look like that. That's so funny. No, that looks fire, bro. I think it's like
position.
Yeah, like it's even distance. Like
that's what I was saying. Like it's kind of even distance from here and here.
Doesn't have to be perfect.
Mm-hmm. Cut right here. All this. All right.
Yeah, it should be fun.
Knock yourself out.
He's like, let me take a couple steps back. We're looking good? Oh. I think we're looking pretty good. Interesting tactics that we got going on. Wait, so how am I gonna get aero if all you see is the crash mark? Oh, see? W.
Low.
I'll just braid it. Damn, this shit breaks pretty easy. And then we just had that last little part. At this point, we just gotta remove it and see how we did. Dun, dun.
No cracks.
That weren't already there.
That one was already there. Perfect.
Ta-da. That one looks good. That one looks good enough. It just looks like I should go in a little bit more in both. Just because, I don't know. See what I'm talking about? It like barely makes it. I don't know. Maybe the holes are big enough where it'll fit anyways. They love us. They're like, yeah, they're idiots. No. So with a little bit of finesse, we had to drill those holes behind a little bit bigger by like using the motion of the ocean a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It just drill and kind of move it around, and then we got all of them to line up. Now we just gotta put the little 10 on the back, and we're good. This is pretty fire. After using a lot of creative style, we finished the project, and this is the final results. What do you guys think? Is it rice? Is it nice? I think it looks pretty sick. We definitely need a bash bar instead of the stock one, because you can barely even see that it's kind of cut. Let's go ahead and get some reactions from some randoms, I guess, and ask them, you know, is that something that you would do in your car? Is it rice or is it nice? So let's go. Mira que estamos atrás del carro. Put the boy room in here. What happened? ¿Qué pasó?
Pusieron eso y le abrieron ahí la rendija. Era tan chido.
¿Está chida?
Claro que sí.
¿Es arroz o es chido?
Es chido.
¿Yeah?
Chida, güey, ¿cómo no? Eso se andan usando. Yo la miraba en un sur.
Para el aire, ¿no?
Centro.
Para el aire.
Eso sí, también chida.
Yeah.
Buena idea,
That's
Buena
crazy.
idea.
Yeah, okay. So far, nice is up one.
What's up?
Hello, sir. How you doing?
Let me see.
Rice or nice? Rice or nice? Oh wait,
What's
wait.
on the side?
Tanner. Rice or nice? This is what we actually did the whole time.
Yeah, it looks good.
Rice or nice though?
Wait, so you guys didn't install the test pipes?
No.
Oh.
They sold me DE ones, bro.
Dang. You're risking a lot cutting this. It looks good though. It looks pretty even too.
Like, rice or nice?
I say rice.
Pretty
Or
rice?
It depends how you see it though. I say it's nice.
Oh.
Someone else might think it's rice though, you know what I mean?
I think it's functional. I don't know. All right. So after driving it around and kind of asking people what they think, it gave me a better idea as far as like what I really need to do to make this actually functional as well as look better. Would be that this still needs a bash bar, but for the most part, everyone is saying that this looks nice as long as it's functional, which I believe it is. Tell me if I'm wrong. You can call it rice. I really don't care. I like it. It goes with the look, and I think there's something else we still need on the car to make it look pretty good. So maybe bash bars pretty soon. Let me know. Would you guys put this on your Z? Leave a like, comment down below what you think. Rice or nice? Everyone thinks it's nice so far. Or maybe they're not trying to hurt my feelings. But yeah, subscribe. We're gonna keep running it up, make some more videos, and we need to try this thing. This side's a lot easier. Oh damn, my whole hoodie's got. Hold up. Oh, I ate sunset. Shit.
Hot tour.
Hot 2.
Bro.
Gotta go hot 2. Spit on that thing.
Whoa.
And that's just one. We still got another one to go. It's gonna make a huge mess.
Bro, look at my hoodie though.
Yeah, it's already. Yeah, that's quite bad.